Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. An indecisive, long-legged, still indecisive spinning top, though the long tail did explore the downside enough to realign the October 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 88.17. The top side was limited, not by the gently rising long moving average, currently 90.91, but by the Fibonacci congestion at 91.60, 91.88, and the 2021 50% Fibonacci line at 92.26. We ended up closing back down below the long moving average and at the lesser Fibonacci level at 90.36. This was now the second consecutive close, if admittedly not a good close, but a second consecutive close nevertheless below the long moving average. Interesting, there is the opportunity to look at the late July to date action as a possible double bottom, but that very much depends on whether prices have made a recovery or not. So far today, a strong move higher, off of the lesser Fibonacci level at 90.36 and up through the long moving average and the overhead Fibonacci congestion, as well as the optimized April 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 91.97. We've had enough of a move already to challenge the trend line, currently 92.92, of the June to September roof pattern, the extension of it. We have congestion resistance beyond, stretching from about 9300 to 9500, with a good portion centered around the flatlining short-medium moving average, currently 94.15. Oh, and by the way, today could also be seen as a possible large bullish engulfing pattern, if only just, which to be honest is not that hard an ask, given yesterday was an indecisive spinning top. LME 3-month aluminium. Now, on the one hand, you could look at yesterday's action as a third bearish black crow. But on the other hand, you could look at yesterday as the third, if lower, indecisive spinning top. To be honest, I can see the arguments in both cases, which really doesn't help, but I'd rather say the truth than leave you blind. Anyway, it still seems the market is none too happy in cresting the recent bullish wave that happened as prices broke up and outwards from the May to August bull channel. Additionally, the market is also none too happy to try higher as well. Hence this intraday indecision. Looking higher, we still have not only the recent congestion but also the one from March to June 2008 between 29.07 and 29.75. Now so far today, a higher open and a bold attempt to try higher still and into the overhead congestion, which has seemingly been rebuffed so far, as we only made $1 higher than last Friday's high. Looking at last week and a bits sort of action that we've seen just over a week, it seems we may be building up to one of two things. Either a topping action, capped by the congestion, both old and new, or a hesitation, with the mid-August to early September action being one side of a bull flag, stroke bullish hesitation pattern. Right now with the congestion overhead, it seems like the topping action has more of a showing, but it's still going on. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.